So hello guys, today we will see how to add repeaters in filament panel in the resource form. So let's create one resource, product resource, to understand this example. So let's create the product migration first. So come to the terminal and create the product model and migration. So we have created a products migration here. We will add some fields in here. So first of all, let's say product title here, so that will be string. Another one is the suppose featured image of the product, so that will also the string and featured image. Another field will be slug, so that will be also string. Another field, let's say description. So these fields are enough for now. So let's migrate this migration. So our table is migrated now. Now let's add the resource for the product. So simply copy this command, make filament resource. We will create the product resource. We need the views here and generate automatic database field. So this command will create the product resource. So here you can see product resource is created. Let's see in the panel. Here you can see products resource is added here. You can add the new product here. Let's say this is the t-shirt product we have. And slug is here. Let's say t-shirt. Let's say this also t-shirt for testing purpose. We have to add the fillable property for the product. So let's go to the product model and we will add the fillable property here. So let's say $fillable variable here. Let's add it title, slug, featured image and description. So those are added. Let's try now. We have to change the image here, so let's re-upload it. So record is created. So now product resource is added here, but you can see image is not loading. This is because of we are running this on 127.0.01. We have to run it on the local host, so that image it shows well. So we have to solve this error. Come to the env file and write here the port number. Let's see if it works. This is not working. We have to link the storage. PHP artisan storage :link. Hit this command and this will create the public path. Yes, now it is working. You can see image is loading. Now we have to add the color image. So for the product we will add the one relation images, and we will add the images table in which we have the fields with the color and image. So let's create the image model, and we will use the repeaters for that. So let's create the image model and migration. So come to the terminal and hit the command artisan make model image -m. So in this we will add the product foreign key. So let's say it is unsigned big integer, and we will write here product id, which is foreign key, and we will add the image field, which is string. With this we will also add the color, which is hex code color code, so that will be also the string. So this is simple table for adding multiple images for the product. And let's migrate this table. So this table is migrated now. Now we will add the repeaters in the product resource. So come to the Filament documentation and search for repeaters. So here the repeaters documentation is here. So let's copy this code and come to the product resource. Let's add the repeater in the form under the featured image. So now this is showing the repeater error. So that is coming from the form components. Add the prefix here, or you can use it. Let's add for all this text input and select. Let's say this is the images. Let's see in the admin panel how it is going. So you can see here repeaters is added here. You can add multiple repeaters here, but we have to add the fields in the images table. So let's make this file upload, and this field name is image, and other than this field is color. So we will need hex, or we have to see this field how to add. Come to the Filament documentation and hex color. You can see here how to make that hex color field. So we have to write field make color, I think this is the validations here. Color picker, we need color picker here, so we will copy color picker and make this field color. We do not require the options. That's it. Let's see in the product form now. So you can see here the image file upload, and this is color picker here. So we can add it multiple times. So that's it. We can add the repeaters, but if we have to store this multiple images in the images table, we have to also need to define the relation in the product model. So let's test it right now. This is the test. Select the image. This is the featured image, and now we will add the image with the color. Select the color from the color picker here. Let's say this, and simply write the description and slug. So this product is created, but if we see into the images table, there will be no data. Let's see it in the images table. You can see there is no record. If you want to store the repeaters data, we have to define the relationship also in the product table, in the product model. So let's define the relationship here. Public function which name is images. Let's say relationship name is images, and let's return the relation what it is. So this stands to has many image colon class. Let's test again and see it is storing the images or not. Test 2. Let's add here image. Let's say slug, and these are the field here. You can see this is created. Let's see in the database. Still it is not saying. The issue is somewhere. So we define the images here. So we have the right relationship here. Let's see in the product resource what is the issue. Yes, we have to add the one more thing is here is if we want to store this relationship, we have to add the relationship method here. Now it will store the images in this table. Let's test again. Let's say test 3. Let's add the image here. Let's add the image with the color. Select. Let's say description here. Let's say test -3. Let's create this. Now it is recognizing image table. You can see here app models image. We have to add the fillable property now. So let's come to the image model. let's add the fillable property, protected $fillable. There is the three fields: product ID, image and color. So this is added now. Let's try again. We have to change the images, so let's edit. Let's try to create this record. You can see now this is created. Repeaters also showing these images. We can add multiple images here with different color. So let's say this is the purple image, and save it. So this is saving all the things. So that's it for the repeaters. Subscribe my channel if you getting values from it. Thank you very much. Bye.